Quick trade recap from this morning, July 25th. Um, Last night, we started to see price get in sync with uh, one another. So the indices here were all kind of in sync at the start of last night and stayed relatively in sync through most of the night. So that was a pretty good indicator that whichever direction we were going, we were likely to continue going rather than seeing the sideways price action that we've seen for the past 2 or so months. Um, and higher time frame analysis is still buy side, so higher for longer. So coming in this morning, I wanted to see us take out the London lows. So from 7 until the open, this was the low here at 905, 21, 23, 343, 25. So I waited for price to take this out here, and we didn't really get much displacement in the first few minutes of the open. And I know it's a little messy here, but this is the first presented fair value gap from this morning. So I wanted to see us first take this out and then create close above the first presented fair value gap. And from there, I dropped to a lower time frame and took an entry once we closed above it. So you can see I took the entry on this down close candle here, 360.75, so right in this area. And my aim was to first take out the relative equal highs that we created this morning, as well as the London swing high. But then I wanted to see if we could also take out these relative equal highs here. So as we approached these relative equal highs, I took off the first two contracts. Once we came pretty close to this one, I took off one more contract. And as we approached this, I believe it was today's new day opening gap, yesterday's new day opening gap, I took off one more. So I let the last one stay on for a bit, hoping to get the relative equal highs from last night. But as you can see here, we started to go sideways for a while, so I ended up closing that contract. But the thesis was that we were going higher for longer. Wanted to see us take out the London swing lows and then get a meaningful close above the first presented fair value gap, which we got. So took that entry, and you can see the rest here. As always, good luck, good trading, be safe.